Hello, greetings of the day. Today I'm going to discuss about impact of self-perceived academic stress and health behavior among college students. It is a comparison between nursing and non-nursing students. Let me introduce myself. I am Janula Raju, working as a lecturer in Department of Maternity Nursing, King Khalid University, Saudi Arabia. Background of the study: stress is a universal problem among nursing students when it is compared with the general population and students in the other health disciplines. Stress seems to be very common in college life because college students need to ensure their academic survival and prepare themselves for the future career. Aim of the study was planned to compare the impact of academic stress on health behavior experienced by nursing and non-nursing during their course of education. What is the study setting? The study is used a non-experimental cross-sectional survey designed to compare the perceived academic stress among college students in Tamil Nadu, South India. Data collection was done through Google Form and the participants received an email in late April 2019. What are the instruments used for data collection? A questionnaire with two sections was specifically designed for the study. The first section contained questions and demographic variables, and the second section is the self-structured questionnaire and self-perceived academic stress scale contains 21 questions, and each statement with 4-point Likert scale from strongly disagree to strongly agree. What is this self-structured questionnaire and self-perceived academic stress scale? It was represented under 5 subsections such as dietary behavior, which contain 4 questions, physical health, which contains 4 questions, mental health, which contains again 4 items, and family health, which contains 5 questions, and social health contains 4 questions. The total score ranges from 21 to 75. The total score were classified as follows: mild stress, the score from 21 to 42, moderate stress, the score from 43 to 63, and severe stress, the score from 64 to 84. The highest score indicating the higher academic stress. And the data analysis statistical software SPSS version 16.0 was used, facilitating the process of organizing data and their interpretation. Unpaired t-test was used to compare the means of both groups, and chi-square test was used to test the association between demographic variables and academic stress score. Descriptive statistics were used to describe frequencies of variables. A significant p-value was set at 0.05 at a 95% confidence interval. And the result of the study is the survey was conducted with 177 students. They are university or graduating students. Among 73 nursing students and 104 non-nursing students. Majority of students participated were females. In nursing, 78% of females and 22% of students were male. In non-nursing, 51% were females and 49% of students were male. Most of the study participants were from undergraduate level course. And this is the level of stress and health behavior among nursing and non-nursing students. You can see this is a comparison between nursing and non-nursing students. When we are speaking about mild stress, most of the non-nursing students were saying that they have very less stress, but the nursing students, very less students were saying that they have mild stress. And when we are speaking about moderate stress, there is a little difference between nursing and non-nursing students, but when we are speaking about severe stress, most of the nursing students were saying that they have severe stress than the non-nursing students. And overall stress score, you can see this nursing students are very less nursing students are having mild stress, and moderate stress is more than the non-nursing students. Nursing students are feeling more stress. And when we are saying about severe stress, Majority of nursing students are saying that they have severe stress, but the less number of non-nursing students are saying that they have severe stress. And the association of stress and demographic variables. A chi-square test was used to test the association between demographic variables, stress and physical health is having association with education and department of study, and stress and mental health is having association with department of study and also living status. And discussion, very few literatures were discussed here. Earning high grades is not the only source of stress for college students. Other potential sources of stress include inadequate family support, eating and sleeping habits, and time pressure may also be the sources of stress. Recent research report shows that the prevalence of stress is increasing among students. The issue of stress among students and university students has been a focus of many researchers for several years. A study conducted by Benavente 2011 also stated that nursing students have psychological and physiological manifestations of stress in higher proportion than in other areas. In many studies in the literature, it was expressed that the nursing students experienced stress depending on their course contents, practicing in an intense and stressful environment, exams and evaluations. And what is the recommendations from the study? Through effective counseling, counselors and also psychologists can help the students to reduce the stress and motivate them for better academic performance. However, when stress exceeds the controlling capability of the student, it urgently needs some personal management techniques or professional assistance. And what I am going to conclude from the research is, according to the result of this study, it was determined that the nursing students experience high level of stress than non-nursing students, and their demographic characteristics like living status is strongly associated with academic stress. These are the references. Very few references were noted here. These are the major references. And thank you IJSR for giving me the opportunity to do the presentation. Thank you.